So the house that we're out right now, the homeowner had called us out. He was having some issues on the inside of his house up on the second floor with some leaks. He wasn't too sure what was going on with it. So he had called us out for an inspection just to kind of see what was going on. So what part of our inspection is that we do an attic inspection as well, if the homeowner will allow us, just so we can kind of see where maybe some water's coming in. So we went up to the attic. We found actually two things that were wrong. First, we found that there were some leaks coming in different areas, and then we saw that the decking was actually out of code. So they had some space decking up there, which was also allowing some water to get into the house. Finished our inspection by going on top of the roof, making sure that we looked over everything to see if what was needed to be fixed, what didn't. Got to the part where the source of the water was coming in and noticed quite a few things up there. So they didn't have the proper material on the top of the house because of this low slope. This was actually causing water to get underneath the shingles and into the house, and the shingles themselves were compromised. Got with the homeowner, came up with a couple different solutions. One being just replacing that portion of the roof with the proper decking. So we made it more budget friendly by keeping the space decking that was there and putting the new plywood over top of it. So we redecked the top and we put the proper materials on the roof for the correct slope. So now we're getting that done now, so he should be good. The other parts of the roof looked okay for now, so we'll deal with that down the road. So the lesson learned here is value of the inspection. Getting your house inspected or your roof inspected is extremely important. So for us getting up there and just inspecting it just to see what's going on, we can prevent some further damage that you may have in the future. The inspection itself is free. There's nothing that we're gonna try to sell or push on you that you don't necessarily need or not want. So what we're gonna do is go up there and assess the damage. This is gonna be stuff that you're not gonna be able to see from the ground. This is gonna be stuff you have to be up close and know what you're looking for. It's gonna be stuff that's gonna be not visible from the ground, but can do detrimental damage to the inside of your house if you let it go on for a while. So getting up there, looking at it, giving you a fair assessment of what we see, showing you pictures, showing you all the potential problems that you might have is gonna just benefit you. We'll go up there, we'll give you an honest assessment of what we see, whether that be storm damage, whether that be you have rotting pipe boots or shingles that are out of place. We'll let you know that stuff and work with you, but we'll help you through that process of whatever it may be. Because if you don't get it inspected, you may run into an issue down the road that it may be way more costly to you. It's free. It's a good idea to do once a year or so. If we go up there and see absolutely nothing, we'll let you know that. We're gonna tell you that your roof's good, but keeping up with that on a year basis is very beneficial for your home as well as yourself.